Siyakwamukela lapha ku-Talk Football SA, umnikeli Mdunga lo. Sithi namhlanje sizobuka umdlalo phakathi kwe-Kaizer Chiefs kanye ne-Orbit College, umdlalo ozobe ule Nelson Mandela Bay. Lo mdlalo-ke silindele ukuthi kube umdlalo ngempela onzima, ngoba i-Chiefs ifuna ukuqhubeka nokuwina, kanti i-Orbit College nayo ivika izembe lapha. I-Chiefs ilwela ukuba unumber 3 kanti number 1 ingafika futhi uma ngabe i-Pirates ne-Sundowns bengalahla, okungelula-ke kodwa kungenzeka ibhola lelo uma ngabe siya ngokwebalo. Uma ngabe uzobheka-ke i-Chiefs sekwesikhathi eside iyagcina ukuthi iwina imidlalo emithathu ilandelana. Iwinile emibili, ifike yashaya iDurban City ngo-1-0, yashaya iMagesi ngo-2-0. Ngesikhathi ishaya iMagesi futhi-ke ngo-2-0 bese kuyisikhathi nakhona futhi iyagcina ukuthi iwina ngamagoli amabili nje, ingangenelwa goli. Bese kuyisikhathi eside kakhulu ngoba yaziwa nje ngokuthi izoshaya igoli elilodwa bese iyilalela phansi. Sibhekile ukuthi-ke iqhubeke nokwenza kahle i-Chiefs. Kodwa enye yezinto ekade yenza ukuthi i-Chiefs yenze kahle bekuwukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi noMdu Shabalala bese bezama ukuthi beke bedlale ibhola eliqondile, ibhola elidirect, ukuthi bebe direct, bengalokhu bezama ukuthi bafuna ukuzama ukuthi bedlale itayela kakhulu, kungenasidingo, noma bephasa befuna ukuphasa amaphasa amahle, bese bezama nje ukuthi nje beye beqonde, okuyinto ebaluleke kakhulu leyo ngoba labafana laba banethuba, banawo amandla nethuba futhi likhona lokuthi bengafika ku-level, bengafika ezingeni lika-Frank Makuwa, Thabang Libisi, Tsikitsiki Muki, bengafika kuleyo level uma ngabe labafana bezomisela bezama ukuthi bedlale ibhola elilula. I always complain that both of them, Vilakazi and Mdu Shabalala, they try to play nice, difficult football all the time. Sometimes you just need to play it simple. You need to pass the ball directly as it comes. You need to pass the ball. You need to make things easy for yourself. You need to space yourself. The other problem with Mdu is that he is improving, but he doesn't look around. He doesn't scan his surroundings. So he only thinks when he has the ball what he needs to do. But he is improving. I've seen him in the past 2-3 games. He is improving. I've also heard that he's having some training. He was having some trainings with Majoro. I can't confirm that, but I heard it and I saw some photos online. But you know, there's AI now, anything is possible. So I don't want people to blame me and say I said he does this. No, I didn't say that, but Mdu Shabalala has a chance of being a star for Kaizer Chiefs. I understand that they came at the wrong time when the team was not doing well. But they are young. They were young even at the time when they joined. So when they joined the first team, and they came with a big promise when you watched their first few games. But they had a big task of carrying a team. Abafana abancane ngathi mabefika bengafica ubhuti abadala benza kahle. Kungabe ukuthi umfana omncane mayefika usenomsebenzi ukuthi kufanele team ihlale la kuye emahlombe. Umfana omncane kufanele adlale kamnandi, bamjwayeze laba abadala, bamjwayeze agcine seyistar. NjengomFukeng yabona bafike i-team yenza kahle, bafika badliwa ibhenji, bangena ku-first team, bangena vele eteamini edlala kahle, lokho kubasizile. Enye into emsizile umFukeng. Uyezwe ethi omunye hayi labafana laba bashoda nge-development, hayi ngabe lokho ukudelela i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-development ye-Kaizer Chiefs siyayazi, siyasebenza iminyaka, iyakwazi ukusebenza. Kusho ukuthi nabo abafana kufanele ukuthi nabo beke bethathe isibuko beyibuke la, ngoba labafana laba bahle kakhulu. I-World Cup ezayo ngaphambi kwale ezoba eza emva kwalena esiya kuyo ngoJune, bengayidlala labafana indlela abahle ngayo. Kodwa ingane mangabe bezokwazi, asibuye emidlalweni. uWandile Duba ubuyile sambona eshaya igoli kuMagesi, okube yinto enhle kakhulu bekora uMdu washayela esibili. Emva kobe umfana esenyamalala isikhathi eside, siyethemba ukuthi umfana ngobe ebuyile uzoqhubeka lapha kagcine khona ngoba naye omunye umfana onekusasa. Pulemoti ubalekile yena Chiefs kodwa akakhuli naye. iminyaka yakhe ilanda u-30 cishe manje, kodwa ilokhu abona ulahla ibhola kakhulu. Kufanele ukuthi umfana asebenze kuleyo nto leyo, ayicabanga ukuthi isikhathi siyaphela. I-Kaizer Chiefs ithuba lokuthi ungene ubhale istatement sakho, ubhale i-history yakho, ubhale igama lakho negama lesibongo sakini, uqeda uhambe ngoba kuyahanjwa manje. uPulemodi naye sibhekile ukuthi naye emisele enze kangcono. uLilepo usadlala kahle ngesingami, uma ngimbona udlala kahle, cishe futhi team uzoyithatha naye ayibeke la kufanele ukuthi ayibeke khona. Aiden McCarthy umdlali engimthanda kakhulu, muhle lo mfana, kodwa uma edlala i-left back angimthandi lapho. Ngimfuna mina edlala i-center back, edlala noMiguel noKwinika. Ngimthanda lapho kakhulu mina umfana, la ngibona khona amandla akhe, ngoba esayidini uzothi uyodlala iSoweto Derby umbeke esayidini uthi akayomaka oMremi noMfukeng, abafana abasheshayo, uzono-Apolice uzomfaka enkingeni, oSibelebele umfaka enkingeni lapho, ngoba kubuye kusebenza ijubane lapho, vele kuthathwa ibhola libekwe lapha kuthiwa sambe. Ke ngisho ukuthi kulo mdlalo namhlanje i-Chiefs ilungiselela iSoweto Derby, kanti vele u-3 points iyawudinga kakhulu. Sibheke ukuthi abafana benze kahle ku-center back. Ke kuba nenkinga, kufike kuthiwe uMiguel akadlali kahle, kodwa uMiguel uma engekho i-Chiefs ingenelwa amagoli, uma kukhona yena amagoli awangeni, okusho ukuthi uMiguel khona lento esingayiboni kahle kuye, nami ngisazoyifunda ukuthi yini lena akayenza kahle, kodwa nje yena ukuba khona kwakhe kuyawenza umehluko. Miguel's presence make a difference, a huge difference. Just his presence there at the back is very tough. Sometimes he can miskick the ball, he can mistime his tackles, but I believe even his colleagues, even his teammates, they believe in him because they perform better when he is around. Even Kwinika, when Miguel is around, he performs better. So I don't know what is the secret with him, but I'm studying him from tonight, this afternoon. I will be studying him even further because Chiefs don't concede when he is around. Other than that, we are expecting a very good game. We are expecting a big fight. We are expecting Orbit College to fight. Though I haven't seen their fighting spirit, but we expect them to fight because the season is almost finished and they are standing on the log. Their standing on the log is not so good, so they need to perform. They need to perform in order to save themselves from the relegation X. Let's see each other after the game. We talk Football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. Siyabonga.